All right, we're down to our last 4 questions, and I think we'll do them all in this little segment right here. The Shasta High School football team sells gift certificates for mowing lawns. M is the variable that we'll use for mowing the lawn and washing windows. W is the variable we'll use for washing windows. Members of the team provide service on Saturdays. They show up at your house and say, "Here I am to mow your yard." If the team sells the lawn mowing certificates for $25 and the window washing certificates for $30, write an expression that represents the total amount the team will earn from mowing lawns and washing windows. Well, I can see from this problem that every single time I mow a lawn, I'm earning $25. So if M is the number of lawn mowing certificates I've sold, 25M certainly represents the total amount of money I've made from just mowing lawns. Similarly, if I'm getting $30 for each time I wash the windows or sell a window washing certificate, then 30 30M, I'm sorry, 30W for window washing. 30W equals the amount of money that I've earned from washing windows. Now this says write an expression that's the total amount that they earned from both activities. So that's just a matter of just writing the plus there, right? That's a beautiful expression. And you can see this expression is, hey, this is the lawn mowing money, and this is the window washing money, where M is the number of lawn mowing certificates I've sold, and W is the number of window washing gift certificates that I've sold. Next thing, it says the football team needs to earn $2,250 to pay for part of their new uniforms. Not the whole thing, but they got to come up with part of it. Write an equation with the information from question 14, typo. It's the question 13, the one right above us. Sorry, I renumbered and added a question or something. That represents the team earning $2,250 by mowing lawns and washing windows. Big difference between an expression and an equation. An equation has an equal sign, an expression does not. So I'm going to rewrite the expression from the previous question, right? 25M plus 30W, and that equals $2,250. So this is an equation, right? And the thing about it that's a little frustrating is there's lots of values of M and W, that could provide solutions. But that's all we were supposed to do in this part. Just write the equation. We're done with that. Next question. If the team does not sell any certificates for mowing lawns, well, let me just translate that for myself. That means the lawn mowing certificates are nigh. There's none of them. How many certificates for washing windows would they need to sell to make their goal? Write and solve your equation. Well, if M is 0, right, this part right here is kaput. It's gone. So I can write $30 per window washing certificate equals $2,250. Nice, right? And of course, we can solve this by dividing both sides by 30 using the division property of equality. On the left-hand side, you see I have a common factor of 30. And when I simplify that, I get W equals arithmetic 2250 divided by 30 equals 75. So they would need to sell 75 of the window washing certificates in order to meet their goal. By the way, window washing is definitely worth $5 more than mowing lawns. Last question, number 16. If the team does not sell any certificates for washing windows, translation, the W is not. There's nothing there. They didn't sell any of the window washing certificates. People just want the lawn mowing to happen. How many certificates for mowing lawns would they need to sell to make their goal? Okay, now you can see the differences before, right? The 25M went away, but now that W is 0, this 30W is going to be completely gone. So what we're looking at here is 25M equals $2,250. So that's it. In order to solve for m, I'm going to use my division property of equality, and I'm dividing both sides by 25. When I do that, on the left-hand side, we get simply m, and on the right-hand side, we get 90. $2,250 divided by 25 equals 90. So they would need to sell 90 of the lawn mowing certificates in order to make their goal. That's the end of the test.